Good morning to all. This is DR.S.N.P.Samy, working as professor, Department of EC in Malaradi Engineering College for Women for last 5 years. Today I want to start the session regarding the 5G communication. Before going to 5G communication, what is the necessity we need for using 5G communication? Everyone knows nowadays technology trending and development in all the aspects. Why? Because depending upon the speed of the network, the signals are communicated. In olden days we used 1G. It takes more time. Then later 2G. It is little bit better. Then 3G. Then 4G. Now all the people we are talking about 5G. Abroad all the countries, I want to mention here, all are working beyond 5G. What is the reason? We are using a concept called MIMO. What is MIMO? Multi-input, multi-output. MIMO is the concept, multi-input, multi-output. This is the only salient feature we are using the principle in the 5G communication. In all the mobile phones, people, so you can check in all the mobile phones, right top corner of the mobile phones, we are seeing some tower ratings, some initials, some names. For example, 3 years, 4 years back, all the mobiles having H+. It means high speed packet access. After that, we have seen the thing in the right top corner of the same mobile, LTE. LTE means long-term evolution. Later, then we are seeing right now VoLTE, volt. That is voice over long-term evolution. Now, all the researchers are working beyond 5G. For example, Korean countries, they are concentrating in 7G communications right now. So these are the backgrounds of all the 5G communication. Now I am moving to our topic. See, device to device and mission to mission, this is the topic. Device to device means one mobile to one mobile simultaneously. Mission to mission means one set of units to another set of units. Here, this base station, we know very well, all communication units have a basic unit called cell. It is nothing but the base station here. What is the use of this 5G? We have first thing, higher data rate, high speed. Next one is low latency speed. It means it directly connected to the cloud and all gaming purposes. Again, due to the low latency aspect, even I can communicate to the remote sensing area, deep forest, in military campaign, all we are using these 5G signals. The third one is regular signals now. One mobile to another mobile, one set of mobile to another set of mobile. In simple words, a company is having one CUG, is directly connected with the other company by other group of CUG simultaneously. See, this is the things I am going to analyze in this unit. What are the contents? Radio resource management, where the signal we are getting. Radio resource signal, where we are getting the signal. Then extension of 4G to the latest 5G standardization. So that is why in most of the mobiles, 4G mobiles, when we are purchasing, they are telling, sir, this may use in future for 5G communication, sir. So it's having the extension limit. So the third one is multi-hop and multi-operator. See, multi-hop means a single transmission. We are sharing the signals with more than one devices. Depending upon the number of devices, the categorization is increased. This is multi-hop and multi-operator due to two communications. Now, how we are extending the 4G to 5G? Direct to direct device, which refers from one device transferring the data to other devices without loss. In all the cases, we are concentrating, we are not losing the signal at any cost. Second thing, there is no crosstalk. In all the 5G communication, before 5G communication, the problem in all the network is, what is happening now? There is a co-channel interference, CCI, co-channel interference. What is the interference now? Suppose I am using 3 channels at a time. The spacing between each channel must be, some space must be left. Due to heavy traffic area, the space is reduced, means it overlap with other signal. What is crosstalk means? The crosstalk is nothing but the overlapping of one signal to the other signal in the channel. That is called crosstalk. So here, when we are going for the extension of the 4G to 5G, we don't care about the crosstalk. Why? Because it is already designed by reduced all the noises and reduces all the noises at one corner, and on the other side they are concentrating over the network security. So why? Because due to the low latency. So that is why the first thing, D2D, direct to device to device connection is more effectively and efficiently in the 5G communication. What are the benefits? Again, the efficiency is more. Next one is latency is reduced. Whenever the latency of the network is reduced, automatically the efficiency is increased. Both are inversely proportional to each other. Regarding this RRM, radio resource management, for in all the countries, they are following the rules. That is CCIT and CCIR rules. Consultative Committee for International Radios, Consultative Committee for International Telephony. See, these are the units, the 2 units giving the permission for using the spectrum. The spectrum, a particular channel is allocated to the particular company, like that they are allocating this. From this one, the RRM, radio resource management, the signal is transmitted, that is extended from 4G to 5G without, first thing is without CCI. Co-channel interference is highly reduced. It is negligible to some cases, but practically it's not, was highly reduced. Okay. Second thing is, in this predicted work, the distance between the device to device is reduced. Distance between the device to device. It means the signal reception is more clear and good in the same network nodes. Again, suppose a device is connected to multi devices, that is means more network means, that is distribution is more. Even for one device, for more than one device, the signal strength is same, the network security is same, there is no loss. It means the efficiency of the receiver side is effectively good. Again, it facilitates the low latency communication. Again, I am concentrating the low latency communication. Why? Because whenever you are reducing the latency speed, automatically in the network security, the efficiency of the signal is directly increased and transmitted to the receiver without any loss. So it means it goes go for the diversity concept. See, you know very well we are using the concept MIMO, and in addition with the MIMO, we are using the OFDMA concept. Okay. What is RRM? Radio Resource Management. What is radio resource management? It comprises a wide range of frequencies. It's having techniques. Suppose I am considering 10 channels now. The 10 channels is allocated with different frequencies, different slots for different countries. Okay, that is the one head office like that. Radio Resource Management encompasses a wide range of techniques and procedures, including the power control, scheduling cell search, and cell reselection and handover radio link. See, in any communication, these 5 parameters are more important. What is the first parameter? The foremost parameter is power control. In all applications, power control, the less power consumption is we are recommending less consumption. Then only it is easy for the management side. That is financial side. It is more good. Next one is the scheduling. The scheduling means the CCIT or CCR scheduling the frequencies for the extensions of the, for example, Samsung Galaxy, they are allocated the frequency, they are allocating the schedule. Nokia, they are allocating one more schedule. For any other mobile, Apple, that are allocating the schedule. Na? According to the schedule, according to the spectrum only, this is designed. This is designed. That is called the scheduling. Already the program is scheduled. Then cell search. Why? Because I already told this is the device, it is used for remote sensing area, remote area regarding deep forest or wildlife sanctuaries or monitoring the movement of the tigers or wild animals. They are using this one. So the searching of the cell towers. Inside the forest we cannot install a new tower cell station and like that. Physically it's not possible because the wild animals will damage the thing. That is why without the cell towers it can operate in the remote sensing mode. So next one is cell reselection. In the same thing, deep forest area, suppose one geographical coverage unit is not responding now, automatically it switches to the next geographical coverage unit. So it's having the remote sensing is having more sensor. It is the best aspect of the extension of the 4G to 5G. Next one, handover. What is the meaning for handover? Whenever I am sending a signal, from one geographical unit to another geographical unit. That is why whenever we are crossing any state, we are crossing any geographical state. For example, when we are crossing the state Maharashtra, the next state gives a welcome message. Hearty welcome to Mumbai, like that message. That is the meaning for handover thing there. If the signal is handover, the message is accepted and the connection is reunited. See, this is the handover. Next one is the radio link or connection monitoring. It may be the radio link or it is a monitoring of the sensing of the devices. See, these are the 5 components. Whenever I am considering with the RRM, radio resource management, these are the 5 things. It should be re-established here. That is why it is more useful for the extension of the 5G. Again, why I am going for 5G? By using the 4G communication without equipping the 5G, I can extend the 4G in order to avoid the power control, in order to reduce the establishment cost, like that. Next one. See, this is the structure. See, this is the cellular mode. What is the UE1 means? User equipment 1. It may be any one device. Any one person is operating. This is the D2 device to device transmitter. So here, according to the tower thing, 2 persons are using user equipment 1, user equipment 2, and 2 transmitters. See, these are all operating in the simultaneous conditions. See, according to the RRM, there is uplink, downlink, and hybrid. These are the 3 modes of the RRM for extension of the 4G communication to 5G communication. Thank you, and have a great day.